He told me I was never quite enough.
He's actually hiding his own debt. Millions gone, and he blamed my shopping habits.
I am the one who built this firm. Time to call the board of directors now.
Hello, Greg. I have the offshore account files.
I was always more than enough, Greg.
In fact, I am the whole damn prize. Watch me take back every single cent. The queen is back in the game.
I've been fighting shadows